Hello everyone. Let's start with the first lecture of the series Environmental Sciences. In this series, we will be covering the entire subject of environmental sciences, and this series would be beneficial for those who are preparing for JKPSC Assistant Professor Lecture Examination in Environmental Sciences and UGC NET, JRF, JKSET, ASRB NET, and other JKSSB examinations, in which the environmental sciences is the part of their syllabus. So let's start with the question that what is an environment. So as you already know, that environment is the total sum of physical, chemical, biological, socio-political, and cultural surrounding of an organism, or in other words, you can say that everything that surrounds an organism is its environment. So what are the components of environment? Basically, environment is divided into three major components, that is the physical component, the biological component, and the cultural component. The physical component of the environment comprises of atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere. In the atmosphere, we will be discussing right from the structural and compositional structure and composition of the atmosphere to the climate models. Then in hydrosphere, we will be discussing about the hydrology, water, wastewater, and groundwater. Then in the lithosphere, we will be discussing about the Earth's different layers and its composition, along with the soil composition and its formation. The second component is the biological component, in which we will be discussing about the biotic and abiotic components. The biotic component comprises of the producers, which are basically the plants, and then the consumer, which are basically animals, and the decomposers are the microorganisms. So in the biotic component, we will be covering the producers, plants, consumers, animals, and the decomposers. However, the consumer component is further be divided into primary consumers, secondary consumers, and tertiary consumers. And the last component of the environment is the cultural component. So society, economy, and polity are defined as the cultural component, are defined as the cultural component of the environment. So these society, economy, and polity encompassing human interaction with the resource utilization pattern and the governance structure influencing the environmental relationship. So based on these component of the environment, we have compiled a list of 19 subject that we have compiled a list of 19 subject that will be covered in this forthcoming series of lectures. So we have referred to the UGC NET syllabus. Then we have referred to the JK set syllabus. Then we have referred to other examinations in which the environment science is the part of their syllabus, and then we have compiled all these components into a list of about 19 subjects. In the upcoming videos, we will be tackling each subject one by one,